Fifth grade Shurley method, page 18, part 1. Classify each sentence. So we're doing exercise 1 and 2 today. So, does your sister take violin lessons at the music academy? So, who takes violin lessons at the music academy? Sister, subject, noun, right? What is being said about sister? What else? Does take, right? So take is the verb, does is the helping verb. Okay? Take what? Lessons. Are lessons the same thing as sister? No. So it becomes the direct object and take becomes the verb transitive. Okay? Oh, sorry guys, I put down the wrong thing. What kind of lessons? Violin, adjective. At what? What kind of academy? Adjective. The? Whose sister? What kind of adjective? Possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern to check. Okay, at the Music Academy? Question mark? Interrogative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Between sister and take. Is there an adverb exception? No, because we don't have one, right? Okay. So is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Inverted, because the helping verb is up here at the front. So underline does twice, your sister once, and take violin lessons at the Music Academy twice. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the next one, number 2. Carol and Beth admired my sister's new coat. Who admired my sister's new coat? Carol and Beth. So they're compound subject nouns. And is a conjunction. Okay. What is being said about Carol and Beth? Admired. Verb. Admired what? The coat. Is coat the same thing as Carol and Beth? No. So it's the direct object, and admired becomes the verb transitive. What kind of coat? New adjective. Okay. Whose coat? Possessive noun adjective, because we have an apostrophe S, right? And then whose sister? Mine. So possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern? Transitive, direct object, to check. Okay. Do we have any prepositional phrases? No. Period? Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Beth and admired. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is it the natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay, you guys are going to do number 3 for homework, and then you need to put the pattern. It'll be a subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern to check. Okay, so that should help you out a little bit, right? All right, number 2, list the nouns from sentences 1 through 3 above. So you'll have to add some more once we're done with this, okay? Because we're not doing sentence 3 yet, right? Okay, so let's go through sentence 1. So the noun can be a subject noun, or a direct object, right? Or an object of the preposition. So what do we have from the first one? Sister. How about the next one? What's the next one from sentence 1? Lessons. What's the next one? Academy. Okay. Sentence 2. So what do we have? Carol. Beth. And coat. Okay, so these other 5 all come from sentence 3, so that is also part of your homework. You have to list the other 5 nouns. Okay.